Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface workable. Clear 500 MB or more of storage and close background apps so nothing interrupts rearranging. Next, choose 6 to 9 core apps you use daily, messaging, maps, email, so your home screen stays focused. Once done, enter edit mode by long pressing any app icon or pinching the home screen. This reveals folders and widgets. In edit mode, drag your chosen apps into position, working top to bottom for thumb reach, and avoid duplicating functions to reduce clutter. You now structure the layout so it's fast to use. Create folders for similar apps and give them concise labels like comms or tools so the eye scans quickly. Then add widgets for glanceable info, calendar, weather, or music controls to reduce app opens. Once widgets are placed, fine-tune density by changing grid size or icon scale. Try 4x5 for balance or 3x4 for bigger targets. Make sure to test reachability by tapping key apps. If something feels awkward, move it one row closer. You finish by polishing visual cues. Apply a consistent icon pack or color theme to help you locate apps faster, and keep the dock limited to 3-5 essentials. Once satisfied, back up the layout if your launcher supports it, or take a quick screenshot to restore positions later. If things go wrong, like lag or missing icons, remove large or animated widgets first, then restart the device. This often clears cache issues. If problems persist, reset the launcher settings, but only after backing up your layout.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.